And this one we are simply discussing देखो from the bulletin because हमने बाकी तो डिस्कस कर दिया था बट हम यहाँ पे थे करेक्ट। तो 31 से हमें डिस्कस करना है करेंटली। Resident Welfare Association of Sanskriti Society supplies air conditioner to its member at a concessional price. A resident welfare association collect career maintenance charges from its member for service provided. Here in both the aforesaid example, it shall be deemed that the resident welfare association and its member are two separate persons, and it shall be deemed that the supply has taken place from resident welfare association to its member. तो देखो क्या हो रहा है कि रेजिडेंट वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन ऑफ संस्कृति सोसाइटी सप्लाइज एयर कंडीशनर सप्लाई करी है एयर कंडीशनर टू इट्स मेंबर एट अ कंसेशनल प्राइस. A resident welfare association collect career maintenance charges from its member for service provided. Herein both the aforesaid example, it shall be deemed that the resident welfare association and its member are two separate persons, and it shall be deemed that the supply has taken place from resident welfare association to its member. उसके बाद हमें बोला जा रहा है कि under earlier tax regime the restaurant used to charge both service tax and weight on the value of food served. This is so because both the sale of goods and provision of service were involved and therefore taxable event under both the statute. Respective weight laws and service tax law got triggered. Under GST, the supply by restaurant is treated as a composite supply. Composite supply is discussed subsequently in this chapter. Since supply of food and services naturally bundled in ordinary course of business, further para this of Schedule 2 specifically provide that such a composite supply shall be treated as supply of service. Hence, the entire value of invoice shall be treated as value of service and leviable to GST accordingly. Then comes the 34 Shivaji sales ready-made garment to its customer. Any transfer of right in goods, undivided share in goods without transfer of title thereof, supply of service. Genius Equipment Limited gives a machinery on rent to Suhasi manufacturers. Any transfer of title in goods under an agreement which stipulates that a property in goods shall pass at a future date upon a payment of full consideration as agreed. Dhruva Capital supply goods on a hire purchase basis to customer. Optima manufacture supplies toys to retailers on sale or return basis. Lease agreement for lane. A shop let out in a busy market area. दामिनी डाइंग हाउस देखो ये क्या है कि गुड्स की सर्विस को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ट्रीटमेंट और प्रोसेस. दामिनी डाइंग हाउस डाइज द क्लोथ्स गिवन बाय शुभम टेक्सटाइल लिमिटेड ऑन अ जॉब वर्क बेसिस. A person manufacturing and selling wooden furniture takes one chair manufactured by him for use at his house. Aruna trader is winding up his business. Any good left in his stock shall be deemed to be supplied by him. Business is transferred as a going concern to another person. Business is carried on by a person representative who is deemed to be taxable person. Then comes the renting of immovable property. Renting of a commercial complex, renting of precincts of a religious place. Renting of property to an educational institution. ये सब किसमें आएगा सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विस में. Permitting use of immovable property for placing vending dispensing machines. Rathi Builders has constructed individual residential units for agreed consideration of 1.2 crore per unit. Rupees 90 lakh per unit were received before issuance of completion certificate by the competent authority and its first occupation and a balance after completion. Temporary transfer of patent. Suvidha Solution develops an accounting software for business firm. Cable operator Sakharam has entered into an agreement with the cable operator. फिर हम बोल रहे हैं आत्माराम that is Sakharam will not provide a cable connection in the specified areas where Atmaram is providing the connection. Non-compete agreement constitutes supply of service. Non-compete में भी क्या आ जाता है supply of service. Machinery given on hire. Transfer of right to use any goods for any purpose whether or not for specified period for cash deferred payment or other valuable consideration. This is our point number 51. Then comes 52. Non-compete agreement where one party agrees not to compete with the other party in a product, service, or geographical area against a consideration paid by the other party. A builder refraining from constructing more than a certain number of floors, even though permitted to do so by the municipal authorities against a compensation paid by the neighboring housing project which want to protect its sunlight. An industrial unit refraining from manufacturing activity during certain hours against an agreed compensation paid by neighboring school which want to avoid noise during those hours. Damages resulting from damage to property, negligence, piracy, unauthorized use of trade name, copyright. Penalty which is stipulated in a contract for delayed construction of houses. Forfeiture of earnest money by a seller in case of breach of an agreement to sell an immovable property by the buyer. Forfeiture of earnest money by government and local authority in event of successful bidder failing to act after winning the bid for allotment. हाँ. Forfeiture of earnest money by government and local authority in an event of successful bidder failing to act after winning the bid for allotment of natural resources. On the contrary, consider the following example. A contract may provide that a payment by the recipient of goods or service shall be made before a certain date, and failure to make payment by the due date shall attract a late fee or penalty. A contract for transport of passenger may stipulate that the ticket amount shall be partly or fully forfeited if the passenger does not show up. A contract for package tour may stipulate forfeiture of security deposit in the event of cancellation of a tour by the customer. A contract for lease of movable or immovable property may stipulate that the lessee shall not terminate the lease before a certain period, and if he does so, he will have to pay a certain amount as early termination fee or penalty. Some banks similarly charge a prepayment penalty if the borrower wishes to repay the loan before the maturity of loan period. Then cancellation charges of railway ticket for a class would attract GST. हम बोल रहे हैं कि cancellation charges of a railway ticket for a class would attract GST at the same rate as applicable to class of travel. आपका cancellation charges of railway ticket for a class would attract GST at the same rate as applicable to the class of travel. That is 5% GST on a first class or air-conditioned coach ticket and nil for other class such as second class, sleeper class, same as the case of for air travel. The cancellation charges of railway ticket for a class would attract the GST. उसमें GST तो लगेगा at the same rate as applicable to the class of travel, 5% GST on first class or air-conditioned coach ticket and nil for the other class such as second sleeper, same is the case for travel, air travel. उसके बाद service provided by casual worker to employer who gives wages on a daily basis to the worker or service provided by the worker in course of employment. Casual worker employed by a construction contractor for execution of a building contract for him or service in a course of employment. Similarly, casual worker employed by security service agency for provision of security service to a client are also service in a course of employment. Annapurna is a director in a Nilgiri Limited receiving remuneration which is declared as salary in the books of the company and subject to TDS under Section 192 of Income Tax Act 1961. In this case, service provided by Annapurna to Nilgiri Limited are in a course of her employment with the company. Service provided on a contract basis by a person to another, that is, a principal to principal basis, are not a service provided in the course of employment. Any amount which is paid by employer to employee for not joining a competing business is paid for providing the service or forbearance to act and cannot be considered for providing service in course of employment. Annapurna and an independent director in Nilgiri Limited receive a sitting fee of 12,000 since as per the Companies Act 2013, independent director should not have been an employee of the company and service provided by Annapurna to Nilgiri are not in course of employment. Duty which is performed by President of India, Vice President of India, Prime Minister of India, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Election Commissioner, Comptroller and Auditor General, Chairman of Union Public Service Commission, Attorney General of India in that capacity. नेगेटिव लिस्ट मतलब जो सप्लाई नहीं है. Some of the other example of actionable claims are right to recover insurance money, claim for arrears of rent, claims for future. Oh God, another app. Some of the other examples of actionable claim are right to recover insurance money, claims for arrears of rent, claims for future rent if this can be assigned, unsecured loan, unsecured debenture, bills of exchange, promissory notes, bank guarantee, fixed deposit receipt, right to the benefit of a contract, etc. These are not considered as supply of goods or service. Vivekanand purchased goods from US and sold it to George in Canada without bringing the goods in India. This transaction is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Radhesham imported some goods in India but kept the goods in a custom bonded warehouse without clearing it for home consumption. In the meantime, Radhesham sold his goods to Sitaram while they were in warehouse. This transaction between Radhesham and Sitaram is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. High C sale supply of goods by the consignee to any person by endorsement of document of title to the goods. अब देखो ऐसे तो कितना टाइम लग जाएगा अगर हम बट फिर भी हमें थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी तो आएगी. Prasoon of India imported some goods from Japan while the goods were in high seas. Prasoon sold the goods to Jinesh in India by way of endorsement of document of titles of goods. This transaction between Prasoon and Jinesh is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Negative list of supply चल रही थी. Mobile phone is always sold with battery. Bundle of service of catering on a board and service of transport by air is a bundle offered by majority of airline. Service of stay in a hotel is often combined with the provision of breakfast and dinner provided free of cost during the stay. Such a service is an ancillary service to the provision of hotel accommodation and the resultant package would be treated as service naturally bundled in the ordinary course of business. A five-star hotel is booked for a conference of 100 delegates on a lump sum package with the following facilities: accommodation for the delegates, breakfast for the delegates, tea and coffee during conference, access to fitness room for the delegates, availability of conference room, business center. As is evident, a bouquet of services being provided, many of them are chargeable to different effective rates of tax. If principal service is described as convention service, it is able to capture the entire essence of package. Thus, the principal service may be judged as convention service and charged to tax accordingly. However, it will be fully justifiable for the hotel to charge individually for service as long as there is no attempt to offload the value of one service onto another service that is chargeable at a concessional rate. Poshak manufacturers entered into a contract with the Chico Limited for supply of ready-made shirts packed in designer boxes at a Chico's limited outlet. Further, Poshak manufacturers would also get them insured during transit. In this case, supply of goods, packing material, transport and insurance is a composite supply wherein supply of goods is a principal supply. When a consumer buys a television set and he also gets a mandatory warranty and a maintenance contract with the TV. This supply is a composite supply. This is an example of supply of TV is a principal supply, warranty and maintenance service are ancillary. A travel ticket from Mumbai to Delhi may include the service of food being served on board, free insurance and use of airport lounge. In this case, the transportation of passenger constitute the predominant element of composite supply and is treated as the principal supply and all other supplies are ancillary. Rati Computers supplies laptops worth of 52,000 along with the laptop bag worth rupees 3,000 to customer for 55,000 being a naturally bundled supply of laptop bag along with the laptop is composite supply which is treated as a supply principal supply with laptop assuming that the rate of tax applicable on laptop is 18% and laptop bag is 28% in the given case. Rate of principal supply laptop 18% will be charged on the entire value of 55,000. A supply of package consisting of canned food, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, added drinks, and fruit juice when supplied for single price is a mixed supply. Each of these items can be supplied separately and not is independent on any other. It shall not be mixed supply if these items are supplied separately or separate prices are charged. A shopkeeper selling storage water bottles along with a refrigerator for single price bottles and the refrigerator can easily be priced and sold independently and are not naturally bundled. So such a supplies are mixed supply. A house is given in rent through a single rent deed, one floor which is to be used as a residence and the other for housing a printing press at a lump sum rent amount. Such renting for two different purposes is not naturally bundled in the ordinary course of business. That supplies are mixed supply. Shri, Shri, this is what? Shringar Enterprises supply 10,000 kits at a rupees 50 each, amounting to 5 lakh to Raghav General Store. Each kit consists of one face cream, one face tissue packet, and one nail pen. It is a mixed supply and it is treated as supply of that particular supply which attracted the highest tax rate. Assuming the rate of tax applicable on a face cream is 18% on a face issue packet is 28% on nail pen, 12% in the given case. Highest tax rate is a face tissue packet, 28% will be charged on the entire value. In a case of servicing of cars involving supply of both goods, spare parts and service labor where the goods of value goods and the service are shown separately, the and service would be liable to tax at the rate applicable to such goods and service separately. तो देखो ये तो सारा चैप्टर है। अब हमें मतलब सिंपली क्या था कि लास्ट वाले पार्ट्स में तो ये था कि सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स है, सर्विस है या फिर नेगेटिव लिस्ट जो होती है सप्लाई नहीं है और बाकी भी कुछ केसेस थे तो हम ये भी सारा पढ़ने को तो ट्राई करेंगे। अभी मेरा टारगेट था कि मैं पहले बुलेटिन बुलेटिन पढ़ ली थी तो ऐसे करके सप्लाई वाले चैप्टर्स के तो बुलेटिन हो जाते हैं। अब फर्दर मैं बताती हूँ बाद में कि क्या पढ़ेंगे। आज के लिए तो इतना ही।